Okay, this is my third video, and I'm trying to get everything on the screen. As you can see here, well, this is first. I should add this is the second part to the video about this system. It's a real-time position measurement system, and the last video showed you integer values that were showing up on this screen from 0 to 255, which is the maximum amount of points that an 8-bit data can represent is 0 to 255. That's 256. So now I've calibrated this and have formatted the numbers so that it makes sense, and you can see here that my position thing is at 0 centimeters, and I can zoom up and we're going to go to 1. The accuracy isn't the greatest, but it's still pretty good. And here we're at, let me get it to 1 a little bit. Okay, so it's 0.968 centimeters, and it's pretty close to that, I guess. Anyways, so you just move it up, you move it up, you move it up. There's right around 2. It says 1.947 centimeters. And you move it up, it goes to 3 centimeters. And actually between 2.805 centimeters and 3, that's the biggest. That's where it loses its accuracy the most. Now through the other scales, the most is 0.01. 3, I think it is. Anyway, so that's how it works. Move the slider up and down. Tells you what the distance is from here. So this kind of application could be used for all sorts of stuff. Just anything your imagination could think up, you could use this system for. Anyways, so I'll show you what I did to get this to work. Basically, in the last video you saw that I was moving it up and down, and I was getting out these 80C sample values. The one right in the middle, see, 255 to 0. And then you have your position, and that's what I would do. I tape the ruler to the switch, and I put in the values. And what I did was I plotted them. I actually multiplied them all by 1,000. That made the problem easier to solve, the coding and stuff. So anyways, when I graphed it, I got a linear graph. So that's like the easiest case. In fact, the professor meant to give us a slider that was going to give us a nonlinear curve, so that we would have to use a lookup table to do this, which would be a little bit harder, but not that much harder. Basically, would just look for what value it was at, and then look up the x value, and then the m value, and then the intercept value from the slope-intercept form, something you learned in high school or junior high or whatever. So, anyways, that's how I did it. I got that in there. I programmed this formula into my program, and it outputs it, it formats it, and that's how you get the centimeter output. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.